Hi everyone, welcome to my cheesy kitchen. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a cheesy paneer masala. Yes, you heard me right. This paneer masala is going to be simmered in delicate spices and then cooked along with a cheesy tomato gravy. To make the cheesy tomato gravy, I'm going to be using Britannia's classic cheese spread, which is going to be blended along with a tomato puree. So without wasting any time, let me just dive right in and show you how to make this dish. So my first step is to blend the tomato puree along with the Britannia classic cream cheese and then make a nice cheesy delicious tomato mixture. Okay, so first add in the tomato puree into this. This is cooked tomato puree. Okay, and the reason I like blending the cheese spread along with the tomato puree is so that it blends perfectly and then so you don't have to sort of keep spooning it and simmering it in the stuff. Okay, so the next is the Britannia classic cheese spread, which I'm going to add. Okay, and this is one of my favorite cheese spreads too. It's very versatile. You can make just think about adding this into any curry of your choice. Okay, like North Indian curries bring in a great taste. Okay, so that's it. So that's about 2 tablespoons and that should be good enough. I'm going to cover it and then blend it until it's all well combined. So now that I've finished blending it, I'm going to show you how to put the entire masala together. Very quick and simple, less than a 20-minute recipe. So to make the masala into my pan, I'm going to go ahead and add in the oil. Add in the chopped onions. The ginger. The garlic. And we'll saute the onion, ginger and garlic until the onion softens and turns light golden brown, and after that we'll add in the remaining masalas. Alright, the onions have just browned perfectly. At this stage I'm just going to go ahead and add in the badi elaichi, give it a stir, then we'll add in the cheesy tomato puree. Notice how creamy it is. Absolutely, you didn't have to do anything at all. All you needed to do was add in the Britannia classic cheese spread and give you the nice, rich, authentic flavors that a North Indian curry to have, and it's with a twist. And you will never ever make out that there is a classic cream cheese spread in it. Okay? So at this stage, I'm going to go ahead and add in turmeric powder, red chili powder, some garam masala, salt, and just a little bit of honey. We'll give it a stir and simmer the tomato gravy until it bubbles up a little bit. If you wish, you can add a little bit of water to make it a nice curry-like consistency, but I like it nice and thick and creamy, so I'm just going to leave it just like that. Okay, now that this is combined, we'll just allow it to bubble for a few minutes. And then after that, we'll add in the paneer and our paneer masala gravy would be ready. So now that the masala is bubbling, I'm going to go ahead and add in my paneer pieces in there. Also add in the kasuri methi. We'll give it a stir and then simmer it for another couple of minutes. And you'll be ready to serve your paneer gravy. I can already smell the beautiful flavors of kasuri methi, and the tomato has got a beautiful cheesy and creamy texture, just like how I want it. Alright, so another couple of minutes, we should be done. So this is done and I've turned off the heat and I can't wait to give it a try. Okay, I'm just going to taste. It's creamy, cheesy and delicious. The Britannia classic cheese spread has brought in a delicious taste to the paneer masala. Perfect gastronomic twist to an Indian flavored cuisine. So now I'm ready to serve this dish. You can serve it along with some hot fulkas or even a tawa paratha for a weeknight dinner or a special party that you make. You must try this out. Okay, so let me just go and serve it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe of how to make the cheesy paneer masala. Absolutely delicious and creamy and makes a perfect dish for your parties or even a special weekend dinner. Do give this recipe a try, and when you do, don't forget to take a snapshot of it and share your cheesy kitchen moments with us. We'll always look to hear back from you. So until then, until next time, happy cooking and healthy eating.